On May 22, 2023, dispatch was advised by Wisconsin State Patrol of an active vehicle pursuit leading into Columbia County, Wisconsin. The pursuit began in Juneau County, approximately 60 miles away from Columbia County, when the suspect vehicle was allegedly speeding in a construction zone. The suspect was later identified as a 26-year-old male named Michael. During the ongoing pursuit, a Columbia County deputy joined forces with a state trooper, prepared to deploy spike strips.
Okay.
4220, we're stopping. West James at Harrell.
3346 per stay with me at the River Bridge. They're at the Wisconsin River Bridge.
Different. 3300, they just went by. Yeah, still continuing eastbound.
As the deputy was about to throw spikes, Michael's vehicle made a sudden swerve off the interstate, narrowly avoiding a collision with the deputy.
Continuing eastbound.
Several more deputies, along with state patrol units, continued to pursue him. While approaching an interstate exit, additional spike strips were deployed successfully, causing his vehicle to drive on its metal rims.
We're down to about 35. I guess we're at this. You don't see anybody around with the comfort to do that. At the moment, we are in the middle lane, definitely driving on the rims. Hello, confirm. Did you try to ram a deputy?
Subsequently, a pit maneuver was executed, bringing Michael's vehicle to a halt. However, he quickly exited and began fleeing on foot.
We've taken the exit to Forest. Dane County did a pit with one of their unmarked Dodge Rams, and now we are back eastbound in the right lane at 55 miles per hour.
So we're taking the exit, pit unsuccessful.
532 just pitted at the speed under 35. It is successful. The vehicle is in the ditch. The driver's getting out.
So we're driver getting out.
Head towards the on-ramp.
Heading towards the on-ramp, driver on foot, right straight.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
He then jumped over a guardrail and ran across the bridge before being promptly decentralized.
Get on the ground! You're gonna get tased! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Oh, you gotta
Let me see your hands! Hands! Okay, roll on your stomach. Roll my way. Roll on your stomach. Put your right hand behind your back. Do it.
Okay, you got my hand.
I got cuffs here. Relax your hands, man. Everybody good?
Here's good.
I got another magazine out there somewhere, I think.
Where do you see him dropping, McConnell? Oh, yours?
No, it's mine. It's in the lane of traffic.
It's just rolling on his side, too.
Are you injured? You're not injured at all?
Hey, look, right.
Okay.
I know y'all do the job. I apologize to y'all.
Roll to your stomach a little bit, man. Here, I'm gonna sit you up here, okay?
Yes, sir. Hey, I just want to say this, right?
What's that?
Hey, excuse me, officer. I know y'all don't like me. I just want to say, I get y'all out of a job, and I apologize for making y'all work. You know, I get it. But I ain't trying to hit you, okay? Sorry, Captain, whatever. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit nobody.
I didn't,
I literally...
all of a sudden you're running right at me.
Well, when you stopped, he slowed down. I'm like, I'm close. I'm trying the taser, which obviously was not
Make
successful.
sure you count your rounds in case
Yeah.
my radio went sailing out between my legs.
Did you connect on any probes?
There's one that it connected, but it's not stuck in him yet. It's behind him.
Cooperate, please. Okay, don't make things any worse.
I was just
have no idea. The first time I saw you was when you were running at my car.
Oh, yeah.
First time I saw you was when you were running towards my car.
What that? He almost got you.
Yeah. Well, I got down there and I was like,
Sir,
"There's."
you ain't gotta tell me. I'm a fuck up. I get it. I wasn't trying to hit your police officers, and I'm sorry if I scared them in the way, thinking I'm armed. I wouldn't, sir. I was just trying to avoid the spike strips. You know, I get it. You have a job. You feel me? And I was just not trying to go to jail. Right? I get y'all have responsibility. You feel me? I respect y'all. I apologize again, like I said, for making y'all work.
Lean forward
You
for
got
me
to
once,
answer
bud.
for it, man, not me.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. I'm gonna walk back over here. There was money falling out as he was running.
Okay, all right. So,
Are you guys good here?
Yeah, I'm good.
yeah, okay. What's your first name?
Mike.
Mike, okay. My name's Matt. All right. We're going to get some EMS. We'll do that first, and then we'll just keep progressing, all right? Is there anything that's hurting you right now? Is your breathing? Amped up?
This is 236, sir.
I'm sorry, what?
What's a 236?
What?
A 236?
That's not anything.
What? 236?
Well, that's nothing. I don't know what that means. It's when you get up there, take it to the cellular port, make sure we have no impairment issues. Okay. Wes is a DRE. We're going to take that part of it. State's going to deal with all the accidents that he caused. Yeah, I see there's a bunch of spiked vehicles. That's what I heard. We don't know. We don't see any signs, but they had driving behavior beforehand. Okay. And that's what started the high-speed chase, and the way he was driving and being crazy. Yeah. It sure looks like it.
I'm just curious. I don't mean being out there, but I was just wondering, what was the first initial stop? Because I seen the police get behind me.
Yeah, I guess that's for later. That was a couple counties ago.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You're in 3 counties since then.
What's the damage to that?
Say it again.
You know how much money it was?
I didn't count it. I just picked it up.
Why would you throw money out?
I did it. My bag
It was bouncing up.
when I was running, it just got thrown out.
All right, I'll count it here and we'll come and look it over.
I forgot to secure the load before taking it on transport, I guess.
That'll happen. All right, so we got 2. Those are ripped in half, so that's not really full. Looks like we got about 1.
Was there a passenger at one point?
No.
Oh, I thought I heard.
During the entire pursuit from where it started, he kept making reaches into the passenger area.
Gotcha.
Like he was
okay.
reaching for something.
I have that one on dash cam.
Which one, the States?
No, I think yours.
We're taking the exit to Flores.
I didn't want him to come into your village.
No, that's why I backed down where I did. And I was like, I'm going to try to keep him off, but I knew the minute it was too wide. The minute he got past me, he was going to try.
Yeah. You're lucky our dog was in here.
So he was in a pursuit from like Juneau County down to here.
Okay.
He was pitted down underneath the bridge here, came up, ran this, jumped the guardrail, came running across here. He did. I tried to tase him. One of the probes caught him in like the back.
Okay.
It didn't stick, but there's a hole to it, or a puncture wound from where it hit. I don't think the other one actually even hit.
Okay.
So that's kind of where we're at.
You know what the vehicle relationship is? I think it's his vehicle, from my understanding. He wants to go inside to get checked out.
We got a parole baby right here too.
So he's just being checked out. Oh, you did get tased? How are you? He's just being checked out because they tased him. Then he fell.
Oh, did they? Nice.
Hey, real question for y'all.
What's up?
This shit's gonna be bad.
I don't know what I first saw you right here, so I don't know everything else that went on.
I just know I was swerving, I was dodging, you feel me? And then I know
you were trying to run from me, so
yeah, I know they tried to throw spike strips out and just down, but I just slowed down the best I could for him to get out the way, and I kept going that way, you know. I didn't want to hit him. That was nothing I wanted, you know. How bad he was gonna be.
Well, the good news is you're the only one in an ambulance right now, so nobody else is hurt or injured. So that's good. So everything's fixable, right? But there's still going to be some consequences. So, and Mike, I don't know enough. I mean, your history, what you do from this point on, everything kind of factors into what's going to happen. I can't just say that, you did this, and I mean, everything is taken into account, but it could be a lot worse. All right? So let's make sure these guys, let's worry about your medical stuff right now, and just one step at a time. Past at least 2 vehicles. We got civilians that got spiked.
oh really? There were spikes being thrown left and right up through there. I was listening to their channel.
It was also discovered Michael had an active felony warrant for his arrest in Minnesota for aggravated first-degree robbery.
I can tell you, I know you had a job, right? There's nothing else to roll.
No? Okay.
Listen, the only reason I ran, I have a warrant from Minnesota for a DOC.
Is it extraditable?
Yeah, it's parole.
Okay.
For prison, so.
Well, I appreciate that. We're still gonna.
No, I know you gotta do your job.
but-
I'm letting you know you're not gonna find them. There might be some headphones on the ground and a hat.
Okay.
But...
All right. That's good info.
Hey, excuse me, sir. Hey, excuse me. I want to talk to him right there. It sounds like can I talk to him?
Just hold on.
My bad.
We got to do the medical stuff. Trust me, you'll get.
No, I mean,
you'll get all the reports.
they're
You'll
gonna
get
take
it.
me
You'll
to
get it
New York.
in. You'll get it in written form.
I know, but I want to talk to him personally.
Why?
Because I heard he was the one that pulled me over.
He may have been involved somewhere.
I just want to ask him a question.
So he's gonna have he's gonna say, wrong guy. You gotta let him go.
No, I just want to know what it was when you get it. You know, that's really.
You were told that already. You're speeding. Well, that's. I mean, whether you were or you weren't, I mean that's what the initial reason for stop was, and that's another day to be hashed out type thing. I know your brain's moving really fast. You got a lot of shit swimming in there. Just one step at a time. You're trying to work on step 99, and we're on step 3.
Lloyd, sir, you were the one that pulled me over, huh?
Tried to pull you over.
It was for speeding originally.
Yeah, 74 in a 60-mile-per-hour construction zone in the lane deviation.
I turned my blinker on, man.
Huh?
I turned my blinker on.
But you didn't pull over. You sped up to over 100 miles an hour.
I know, that's what I mean.
It's not pulling over.
I know that. I apologize.
I'll take that.
I apologize for any, I get it, you know.
Well, I accept your apology, sir.
And I just want to let you know I was not.
I'm just glad nobody got hurt.
Yeah, I definitely was not trying to hit nobody. I was just trying to get away from them damn spikes. I know you're gonna fuck my car up like they did. Shit.
I'm good. Good work. Still undefeated.
What's that?
Still undefeated.
Nice.
Foot pursuits.
You had Rito for backup this time.
Yeah, well, that kind of helped when Rito comes running or flying up here in this squad and he sees the guy, me and him running at him.
Taking you right to jail. Yeah, you're not going to be deprived of any medical treatment. We didn't like you. Well, we wouldn't have our ambulance here. The restraints you got on are a different agency, so we're going to swap those out. I'm going to put a belly chain around your waist so you can be cuffed in front, so you don't have to be handcuffed in the back. I know the rule I go by, if you're a dick, I'll be a dick, but you've been cooperative, so we can do stuff like this. As long as you keep working with me and not don't give me any problems, this will go as smooth as possible. Come on up. Kind of lean up against this bridge here.
That's all. I got you. I know. I know.
There we go. There we go.
I don't want no problems, man. No bullshit, you know. Yep.
Okay, there you go.
Being cooperative. Appreciate it.
Like I said, I apologize for the whole chase in the first place.
All right.
But I ain't
Okay, just kick me this one first. All right. So I got your bag right up front there. I'm going to put your socks in there.
Does your jail accept cards?
Credit cards?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the felonies you'll have to go in front of a judge for now.
No, I'm not even talking about bail. I'm
bail.
just talking about like to be able to put money in my books.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Yep, they'll talk to you out of that. Okay, all right, we're going to take off. I'll put this in your other bag with the rest of your stuff.
Upon reaching the jail, Michael underwent field sobriety tests, which indicated no signs of impairment.
You don't have any weapons or anything on you, nothing on you that you shouldn't have, nothing crotched or anything like that. You don't have anything. You don't have anything. Well, people come in here and they shove stuff up their butt and stuff like that.
Just nothing in the pocket, nothing.
Yeah, nothing. Okay. I'm worried if you stuck something up your butt or anything like that.
I don't have nothing. I'll tell you. I'm 1008, 1009.
Big breath in. Blow. Keep going. 0.009. So like very small.
Michael was charged with felony first-degree, recklessly endangering safety, and vehicle fleeing eluding an officer. He also received several traffic citations totaling over $1,300. As of July 2023, he pleaded guilty to both charges, resulting in a withheld sentence and a 240-day jail term along with 7 years of probation. Furthermore, Michael faces separate charges of vehicle fleeing, eluding an officer from Wisconsin State Patrol. However, this court case is still in progress.